What's going on, you guys? Uncle Jesse here. As you might know from this channel, I'm a pretty darn big fan of these Marvel Hasbro toy replica props, like the Infinity Gauntlet that you see behind me, like the Iron Man helmet that you see behind me, and like that Ant-Man helmet that you see right over there. I pretty much have picked up all of these replica props, and they are such an amazing deal. Inside this box is the latest of these, which is, or should be, I should say, the repaint of that Iron Man helmet that is in the style of the Punisher War Machine that was made available earlier this year. This is the Marvel Legends Future Fight Punisher helmet unboxing. All right, so this should be pretty dang sweet. I picked this up over off the Hasbro Pulse website. That's Hasbro's official toy site here where you can pre-order really cool things like this here. This retails for about $100. You might be able to find it on Amazon for slightly cheaper. It's probably available at GameStop and Walmart as well. And it more or less should be pretty much identical to that Iron Man Mark III helmet, but in the paint style of the Punisher. And it looks like it's gonna be really, really dang cool. Inside is all done up as well. Faceplate should be able to be removed as well. And it's gonna have all of the light up and mechanics available on it, which is very, very exciting. So let me get this open so that we can actually check it out. As usual, packaging is pretty dang nice. They include some instruction manuals here, how to install the batteries, and more than likely how to actually use this, how to adjust the inside of the helmet as well. Let's get this stuff out of here. This is gonna be really, really dang cool. All right, let me try not to jack this all up as I open it here as well. Oh man, they did a really nice job weathering this and making it look dirty. Oh, this is not just a repaint of the Iron Man helmet. They actually went in and modified this. I think the back, I don't remember Iron Man helmet having, oh yeah, it did have a back hinge, which is like this, but the helmet is actually on a hinge. I lied, it's not on a hinge. I thought it was on a hinge. It really looks like it's on a hinge up here. It's not. That would have been really cool if it was. It's still that magnetic faceplate, which is really dang cool, and the inside's all really nicely detailed. Man, the paint job on this is out friggin' standing. They did a really good job weathering this, and the metallic paint that looks like it's been chipped away on the black here is really nice. It's all dirty on the actual painted skull, which is super, super cool. Looks like this has been airbrushed on to a degree, like it's not all even or anything like this on the actual face of the helmet. That is super, super wild. Man, that's really cool. Sorry, I'm looking in the camera as well because this is my first time seeing this, and it's really dang awesome. Man, the paint job on this is just stupidly nice. All right, so we've got the batteries installed. It has basically the same sound effects. There is on the inside of the helmet, in the jaw piece is where you're gonna insert the 3 AAA batteries. And then there is a button on the side of the chin there that you can press that will turn it on or off, or when you open up the visor here, it will kick on the sound effects there, or if you turned it off and flipped it back on again. The inside is also adjustable here, so if you have a smaller head, larger head, you can adjust that as well. Let me throw this on and see how it goes. I forgot that it's a little bit small. You can also see out of the eyes here, which is pretty nice. So if you actually wanted to wear this as part of a cosplay, you can do that as well. It is going to be pretty warm with this on, but it's relatively comfortable here. There's not a lot of foam padding on the inside, so that might be something that you want to do as well. Woo! It's a little toasty in there. Magnets are somewhere on here that it'll snap together. The helmet there, the visor will snap in an up position as well. I swear, I thought this thing, by the looks of it, had an actual mechanism there that it would lift forward and backwards, which would have been just really the icing on the cake for this. I could probably actually adjust this to be slightly larger for my head, since I do have a relatively large noggin there. But yeah, overall, this is really, really dang cool, and I'm really happy I picked this one up. Holy smokes, is that warm in there. And here's a real quick side-by-side comparison of the original Iron Man helmet with this Punisher styled version. Again, pretty much the exact same helmet. They've just gone off and repainted it here. Again, probably the biggest difference here is obviously, besides the Punisher skull, is all of the weathering details that they put into this helmet here. They did, again, a really, really great job with the silver accents, where it looks like it's rubbed away at this black, exposing the metal underneath it. Yeah, just a really fantastic replica prop here. So if you're a big fan of Punisher, a big fan of Iron Man, and interested in picking up one of these for yourself, I'll have a link down below where you can check that out as well. But yeah, I just want to say thanks again for watching, guys. This was just a quick one here. I know pretty much every time one of these come out, I make a video on them. So I just wanted to share it with you guys and let you know what I thought. Again, pretty spectacular. I do wish this thing had a attachment here where it was able to lift it up and down and not fully detach, but it is what it is. At least it's got the magnets still built into it, so it can snap into place, and it looks pretty dang cool to have on display, which is why I have mine on display in pretty much all of my videos. Hey, I just want to say thanks again for watching, you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.